Hi again, it's Mike Salisbury from the Reno Agency, and thanks for taking a couple of minutes today during our Ask the Agent session. Today's question is in regards to trailers. So lots of kinds of different trailers, right? Utility trailers, snowmobile trailers, watercraft trailers, travel trailers, pop-up campers, fifth wheel trailers. Where are those trailers covered? And is there any free coverage that I have? Where do I get coverage if the trailer is damaged, stolen, something like that? And then where do I get liability coverage from? If the trailer is the cause for an injury to someone or property damage, where do I get that coverage? Is that on my home or is it on my auto? So typically, we don't really talk about trailers very much on your homeowner's policy. Not a great place to have them. The policy comes usually included with about $1,000 is all for trailers. So you're talking about a small utility trailer, maybe a watercraft or snowmobile trailer, but really the free coverage is just that. It's free. It's really very basic. Could you have a trailer covered under your homeowner's policy? Let's say if you had a big boat or pontoon or something like that. Yes, you absolutely could. You'd set a separate deductible just like you would for the boat, and your coverage could come from your homeowner's policy. But for the most part, what we tell people is if it's got a license plate on it, it really should be on your auto insurance. You can select a separate deductible for comprehensive damage as well as collision coverage, or just cover comprehensive or just cover collision coverage if you want. And really a better spot to do that. For sure, if we're talking about pop-up campers, travel trailers, fifth wheels, those kinds of things, you list that item just like we do with any other car or vehicle on your policy, and we establish a value to that, and that stated value is really what your insurance premium is based on. So where do I get liability coverage if the trailer were the cause of a bodily injury claim or a property damage claim? You've injured someone else or damaged their property, the coverage actually comes from the vehicle that's pulling it. So it gets extended from the vehicle pulling the trailer. And there isn't really any charge for that or anything like that. With a trailer, typically all you're buying is coverage for the damage to the trailer itself. And again, liability comes extended from the vehicle pulling it. So if you have a question, you can always email me, mike@renoagency.com. That's how this question came about. And we'll do our best to get back with you with an answer. And you may even find out that the question will show up here on Ask the Agent. Thanks so much for your time.